Walking up the trail to the mine. Heading back up to the mine. Yeah, I never went in. You see a bunch of game trail right here. I don't think I ever noticed that before. Well, this tree fell down. Broke off of there. It was the top of part of a tree that broke. Huh. I think this happened since last time. Be careful, babe. Would you step on it wrong or something?
No.
You trip? I don't know what that is. There's some carving in it.
Is that a stone?
Huh? No, that's a tree. It's cut like that. You thought it was a tombstone? No, it's a tree that was cut like that. So that's where the chimney is.
Goes the way up?
Yeah. No, it's not that far from right over here. What?
Where's all the berries at?
I'll show you when I see them. You're already getting tired? It's not that far from up here. Okay, I'll bring you guys back in. We're getting closer to getting there. I can hear the water coming out the mine right now. Straight down this, straight over this way. So all we gotta do is cut across. I would have went straight up to it, but there's so many down trees in the way. Like, I didn't want to climb over all of them. I fell, but don't worry. I can hear it better now, the water. Yeah, there's a lot of down trees down there. Trying to go around all that. I can hear the water as clear as day now. See little prospect pits that they dug right here. They dug. Yep, there's the water. I see it. It's right here, baby. We found it. See, all mines in Washington, they always drain out a lot of water. It's right here. It's right there. There's the hole. Wonder what this used to look like back in the day when they first started doing mining right here. With all these fallen trees and shit. Be careful on that ledge. I'll bring you guys back when I get to the portal. There's the mine. There's the portal. I got my headlamp this time. Farmer blow. And I got my boots this time too. Bunch of fall. Huh? You'll wait here? There's a lot of water in there. A shit ton of water. I don't even think I can walk in there. As you can see, I'll bring you guys back. I'm not gonna be able to freaking go back there, it's too deep. Look at all the rust. What? Take a picture? Yeah, I'm filming right now. It's a lot of water coming in. You can see it dripping all over the place too. All the mines in Washington, I swear to God, all they do is leak. Fill up with water. Even on top of a freaking mountain. At least I know. It doesn't go too far back. It doesn't look like it goes too far back. Whoa. Okay. I think I gotta go. Almost fell.